Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Kaustubh, and let's today talk about Zenchron, an AI-powered auto prioritizer. So what it does is it integrates with your multiple apps and then extracts the relevant tasks from it. So let's see how it works. So moving on with the landing page, this is the hero section. You can view the video here, and then this is the bento section. So these are the apps that it integrates it with it, like Gmail, Slack, Gmail, Google Calendar, and many more. Okay, and it also does smart scheduling as well. We will move on to it soon. So this is the testimonial section. This is the pricing section. You can have two types of pricing, monthly and yearly as well. This is a section of frequently asked question. You can view the accordions here, and this is the footer section. So now moving on with the login thing. So here we are only using OAuth because we want to integrate multiple apps like Gmeet, Google Calendar, Gmail, etc. So continuing with the Google. Okay. So I'm logging in with my mail ID. As you can see, I can now go to the further page. Okay, so now I have signed in. Now it will ask me for some permissions like view your email messages settings and all. I'll simply like select all and continue with it. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard. So here we can give inputs through text as well and voice as well. So now let's try giving the input through voice. I want to schedule a software engineering meeting discussing about my software tasks by 7 a.m. So here's the text. What I've just spoken. Now I'll create the task.
Created one task.
So it has created the task. Now, what I can do is I can create an event on the Google Calendar as well. I can start as well, and I can send it to the waiting list as well. If I start it, so here it tells me to either complete it or I can reopen the task and then I can again send it to waiting as well. So it can be in the pending state. So for now I will just complete the task. The next feature is the Gmail. So basically what Zenchron does is it reads all your Gmail and extracts the relevant emails. Now what I can do is I can sync the emails. So here it is syncing the emails. Okay, so the now the email sync is completed. Now we can view the emails. Once your emails are processed, you can view them over here. So it has extracted 19 work emails from the 20 total emails, and there are 20 tasks created. And it also keeps a track of the last sync. Once your all the emails are synced, it will label your synced email as Zenchron processed. Uh, okay, so now uh, let's go to the dashboard and view what all emails it has extracted. So yeah, here complete experiment 2. So yeah, it has, you can start the task even. Also, the tasks are classified according to some labels like follow up, quick win, high priority. The high priority task is the task with the most priority. So, okay, the next feature is about Slack. So, we will connect our Slack first. Okay, so here is my slack.com mail ID. Okay, as you can see, now it is asking me the permission for my Slack workspace. So I will now allow the permission once it loads. Okay, so now I'm allowing it. Okay, so as you can see here, my Slack is connected. Now I will fetch the messages. As you can see here, my messages are fetched that have tagged me, and to whose thread I have replied. So now I will extract the tasks as well. So here it is extracting the tasks. Okay, so the tasks are being extracted. So one of the tasks we got was to learn about Next.js routing, where it is here. So yeah, as you can see, the tasks are successfully extracted from the Slack as well. So the next is Notion. We are connecting we can connect our Notion account to this. Okay, so here is my Notion account. Now I'll select the relevant pages I want. So I just want my work to do pages, so I'll select them only. Now I'll allow the access. Okay, so now we are on the now we are on the Notion page. Now let's see what is our Notion. So write a blog on JSON and make a portfolio website on a priority for a client. Okay, so what we can do is now we will sync the page. So as you can see, we can extract the tasks now. After extracting the tasks, awesome. So yeah, so here you can see there's a high priority task to create a portfolio website for client, as well as there will be also a task that says write a blog on JSON. So yeah, okay, so moving on to the Gmeet thing. Now, what I can do is I will record a meeting with my friend. I'll show you the preview of what we are doing. Then we can come back to here and then refresh the meetings. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So here, me and my friend will follow a script. So let's go through it for the Gmeet thing. Start.
First, let's discuss the website redesign. We need to finalize the mockups by Friday, February 14th. Can you handle the homepage design?
Absolutely. I will create the homepage mockups and send them to you by Thursday. Should I work on the contact page?
Yes, please do both pages. Also, we need to schedule a client review meeting for next Monday at 2 p.m. Can you send out the calendar invite?
Sure, I will send the invite today. Do we need to prepare a presentation for client meeting?
Good point. Let's create a 10-slide presentation showing the design progress. We'll handle slides 1 to 5. You take slides 6 to 10. You date is Sunday, so we can review it together.
Perfect. I'll also need a follow up with the development team about the technical requirements. Thank you. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I have made an extension that extracts the text from the captions over here, and then it sends these texts on my website so that the tasks are extracted from the conversations. Okay. Okay, so now I will refresh the meetings. After refreshing the meeting, as you can see, the the joining code of the meeting shows over here, and it also says that four tasks are created. These four tasks are created from the meeting script. So now we will see those tasks. So here is one, the prepare client credential, the create homepage and contact page markups, and yeah. So this okay. So now we will move to the Google Calendar section. So now I have made a task. Sorry, the event that says meeting about planning features for Zero. Now what I can do is I will go to the Google Calendar and sync the calendar. It is syncing. Now, as you can see, a task has been successfully created. The calendar event has been successfully created. So now, when we go to the dashboard, and then when we just scroll here, prepare for Ziora planning features meeting. So yeah, even this task is created. Okay, so the last and the most important feature of this would be analyze tasks. So here, suppose I put some tasks in pause, start task, and like start task, and like they will appear over here. So suppose I put someone pause and I put someone pause. So like now what will happen is, okay, if I go over here and analyze tasks, so now the analysis of AI is complete. Now we will see in detail planner for our tasks. Like it will give us key insights, you can read over here. It will give us recommendations, it will give us execution strategy in the phases, then the priority matrix as well, what we have to do, what we don't have to do, uh, what needs to be done in priority, and everything. So yeah, this was everything about it. Okay, so this is the setting page where in which you can decide if you want to give the access to the permissions or not. Okay, so this was it. Thank you.